Hello, Eagles. This is Ms. Mendez, and today is Tuesday, the 12th. So today our objective is students will be able to determine if expressions are equivalent using order of operations. So we have already looked at order of operations, and remember we have stated that when we are using order of operations, we are using our word gems. We have already stated that gems, for our G, this includes our grouping. This is any expression that is inside a parentheses or brackets. Our E is our exponents. Our exponents is a base with a power. We learned it as our base is X and our power is N. You'll see it with a large number and a small number in the top right corner. Our M is two things. It is multiplication and division. Remember, you will see multiplication with a dot, with an X, or parentheses. These all mean to multiply. Please remember that parentheses and the dot also means to multiply. Now, when we're looking at our S, this contains subtraction and addition. This is just regular subtraction and addition. Remember, our multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction is solved from left to right. Whichever comes first is what we have to solve first. So it said we are looking at expressions and finding if they are equivalent. So here I have this sample problem, and this is what you're going to be looking at. You're going to have an expression as well as answer choices. Your answer choices are going to be expressions as well. You are not going to be looking at a single digit. You are going to solve your expression up until you can see your answer to see if you have correctly solved it. If you do not see your answer on the answer choices, this means you have made a mistake. You can do this one of two ways. You can solve this down all the way and solve your answer choices down all the way, or solve up until you find the answer listed on the answer choices. So I'm just rewriting the problem down so I can work this down. So remember, the first thing is listing the word gems. We have to list this word down so we know what we are working on. Here our G stands for grouping. We have grouping right here. I am going to box as I go. 5 plus 7 is 12. Please do not forget to add that exponent. That is still part of this problem. I have not finished that part. I exactly know what I have to bring down because I have what I'm solving boxed in. Whatever is not boxed in is what I have to bring down. I am done with my G because I do not have any more grouping. I moved on to my exponents. I do have an exponent right here, 12 to the power of 2. Please show your work off to the side. Do not write your work down under here. 12 to the power of 2 is telling me 12 times 12. Do not confuse this and think it's 12 times 2. Because it is not. It is 12 times 12, which gives me 144. So right under my box, I have 144, and I am bringing everything else down. I'm done with my exponents. Now, do I have any multiplication or division? Yes. This dot means to multiply, so I'm going to multiply 23 times 2. Once again, I am showing my work off to the side. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So here I should have a 46. I am writing whatever is left down. So now I look to see if my answer is listed here. No, it is not listed yet, so it means I still need to move a little forward. I'm done with multiplication and division because I don't have anything else left. Now let's look at subtraction and addition. I have both, but remember these are solved from left to right. So whatever comes first is what I am solving first. 144 minus 15. Show your work off to the side. 14 minus 5 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2, and I bring down my 1. I now have 129 plus 46. Do I see my answer over here? Yes, I do. So my answer here is 129 plus 46. 129 plus 46. This is what you will be looking at today. You're finding an equal expression to what is given.